Welcome to our next class, students. Today we will start with chapter number 5, that is set concept. So children, before starting the chapter, a set is a collection of the object, things or symbol which are well defined and distinct. Well defined number should be there, and distinct means the element of the object should be listed once only. In the set you cannot repeat the element. Clear? Then after these are the notions. This is rooster form of the set. So when you will practice the questions, you will get to know about all the terms related to it. Question number 1. Which of the following are well defined sets? Justify your answer. The collection of all colors in the rainbow. Yes, it is a set, because in rainbow there are 7 colors which you know, and they are distinct elements also. Clear? So this is a set. All the points that lie on a straight line. How many points lies on the straight line? There are infinite number of points which are lying on the straight line. So this is not a set. All honest member in the family is a set. Family members, you know. The collection of all consonants of English alphabet. You can easily count the collection of all the consonants. The group of all tall boys of the school. Clear? The collection of efficient doctor of a hospital is not a set. Maybe one doctor, I got relief from one doctor and you may have not got. So for me he is efficient, and for the other person he may not be efficient. So that depends upon the choice of person. So it is not a set. The group of all hardworking teachers in a school. So this is also not a set. Maybe for me one teacher, I like one teacher most, but you may not like that particular teacher. So this is not also a set, because it varies from person to person. See, A is a set. These are the elements, and set is always enclosed in the curly bracket. Insert the appropriate symbol. This symbol means belongs to, and this symbol means not belongs to. Clear? So you have to write whether D element belongs to set A. Yes, D is there. Yes, it is there. So what we'll write here? We'll write belongs to. Y is not here. Clear? In the set. So we'll write not belongs to. Then M is not there in the set. So this is also not belongs to. Then element A is there in the set. Yes, A is there in the set. So what we'll write here? A belongs to. Then E also belongs to the set. Then X is not there in the set. So what we'll write? It doesn't belongs to the set. Next is A, B and C. 3 sets are given. Clear? Insert the correct symbol belongs to or not belongs to. Very easily you can do. So do this question yourself. Which of the following statement are true and which of them are false? So these are the 2 sets given here. Set A is given. Set B is also given. Clear? So you have to identify whether in the first question 1 belongs to B. See, 1 is there in B. No, so this is false. 5 belongs to A. Just see set A. 5 is there. Yes, it is true. 9 not belongs to A. But 9 is there. So this is what? False. 10 not belongs to B. Just see whether in the set B 10 is there. No, it is not there. So that statement is true. Same way you can do other parts. Fifth question. Write the set whose elements are. So these are the elements, children. You have to enclosed in the curly bracket. So this will become a set. Again, here no element is repeated. Just enclose them in the curly bracket. That will be your answer. Same way here. This is not a proper set. So what you have to do, children? First you write curly bracket. First element is 1. Second 2. Separate them with comma. Then 3. Then 4. 1 is already written, so leave this. 2 is already written, leave this. Next is what? 5. Then 7. 5 is already written. So this is the set. With this your first exercise is finished. Exercise 5.2, first question, write in the set builder form. So children, you are given A in the rooster form. This form is rooster form and you have to write in set builder form. First of all, just see what kind of numbers they are. 2, 4, 6, 8. All are even numbers. Clear? So how to write in set builder form? A is equal to X. These 2 dots, how you will read X such that X. What is X? Is even number equal to 8. Equal to 8. Even number, okay, equals to 8, less than equal to, number less than or equal to, meaning less than 8 and up to 8 even numbers are there. Next, what kind of numbers they are? 3, 9, 27, 81, all are power. 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 2 is 9, 3 power 3 is 27, 3 power 4 is 81. So this can be written as x such that x is 3 raised to the power n, where n lies between 1 and 4. It means, how you will show it, where n power is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. Clear? So this is the range written over here. Next C is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What kind of numbers they are? 1 square is 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So how it can be written? X such that x is a square of first 5 natural numbers. It can be written like this. Next, 1, 3, 5 and so on to, they all are odd numbers. So what we'll write? X such that x is odd numbers. Next is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Clear? They all are composite numbers. Composite numbers are the numbers which are having more than 2 factors. So what we'll write here? X such that x is composite number up to 52. Clear? The last number is 52. So up to 52. Next is f minus 10, so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, up to the last is what? 5. So what is the range? These all are integers. What are these? These are integers which includes negative number as well as positive number also. So what we'll write? X such that x is integers from minus 10 to 5. So how you will show? X range is minus 10 to 5. Clear? X is less than equal to minus 10 and x is greater than equal to minus 10 and less than equal to 5. Next is only one element 0 is written. X such that x is a whole number less than 1. So this is only the whole number which is less than 1. Next, this is empty set or null set. Clear? So you can use you can write here whole number less than 0 because there is no whole number which is less than 0. You can write natural numbers less than 1 because no natural number is there less than 1. So anything you can write. So P is equal to x such that x is natural number less than 1. And you know that less than 1 there is no natural number. So option is what? Empty set only. Next is minus 5 and 5. So x such that x is a number 5 and its negative number. Clear? This is how you will represent 5 and its negative number. Next are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange. So these all are the colors of the rainbow. So how you will write here? X such that x is color of the rainbow. Next beta, you have given set builder form now. This is set builder form and you are asked to write in rooster form. Read it. X such that x belongs to whole number and you know that whole number starts from 0 with the condition x should be less than equal to 5. So whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 will take because equal to is also given. Next is x such that x belongs to integers. What is the range? Minus 3 to 3. So what are the integers? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. You must be thinking why minus 3 and 3 is not taken? Because equal to is not given. X should be greater than minus 3 means it will start from minus 2. Less than 3 means up to 2 only. Next is x such that x divisible by 12. So write the numbers which are divisible by 12. So that are multiples of 12 only. 12 1s are, 12 2s are, 12 3s are. These all are divisible by 12. Ninth is fourth part, x such that x is equal to 3p, where p belongs to whole number. P belongs to whole number. P can be 0, start from 0. And p is less than equal to 3. Meaning you can take the value of p as 0, 1, 2 and 3 only. So p can be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now put it here. When p is 0, this number will be 0. When p is 1, 3 1s are, it will be 3. When p is 2, 3 2s are 6. When p is 3, 3 3s are 9. So these are the answers in the rooster form. Fifth part, x such that x is a square, where a belongs to n natural number. Natural number starts from 1, but they gave a condition that a should lie between 3 to 7. So what are the options? A can be 4, 5 and 6. Now put the value of a here. When a is 4, it is 4 square. When a is 5, it is 5 square. When it is 6, 6 square. So 16, 25 and 36. Next is x such that x is equal to n over n plus 1, where n belongs to natural number and n is less than equal to 4. So natural number less than equal to 4 are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So put the value 1 upon 1 plus 1, 2 upon 2 plus 1, 3 upon 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4 plus 1. So answer is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Next is x such that x belongs to natural number, and this is the condition, clear, where x can be only 1 and 2. How? Look here, if you write here 1, it will become 3 minus 2, 1. That is satisfying. 1 is less than 5. When you put here 2, 3 2s are 6 minus 2 will be 4, which is less than 5. But when you will write here 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 2 is what? 7. 7 cannot be less than 5. So only two options. Okay, it can be only 1 and 2. So I have shown also 3 into 1 minus 2, 3 into 2 minus 2 will make it 1 and 4. So the value of x can be only 1 and 2. Next is x such that x belongs to n, where x square is 16. So what can be the possible values of x? 1 square is less than 16, yes, true. 2 square is less than 16, true. 3 square is less than 16, true. So it can be only 1, 2, 3. Clear? 4 square will be equal to 16. So that's not possible. The next is set k, x such that x is a prime number divisor of 42, which can divide 42. So which are the prime numbers which can divide 42? 2, 3 and 7. Next is x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 5. So which are the natural number whose digits, sum of the digits are 5? 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 0 is 5. So with this video up to here only, and next video will continue with the next question. Thank you.